as an IT apprentice, I'm basically doing software testing. I'm doing data validation testing. I'm working with the developers doing SQL queries, and I'm also working with the system analysts.
Okay, awesome. Okay, and so with that, they're okay. They how did you position yourself in the market, like just as a newbie transition over?
I just basically told them I had manual testing experience because they was looking for somebody who could do software testing, write test cases, test scenarios. So once they seen that I had that experience, and then they asked me about SQL, and I told them that, I have a little bit of knowledge of it. I'm still in the process of learning it. They told me, that's okay. Just as long as I know a little bit, they'll help me in the long run.
Okay, I love that. That's cool. And so what exactly are you testing?